students, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School welcomes you for online class. Students, will start with our chapter 5 more on Excel 2007 and this is session 1. So under this we are going to see simple formulas how we are going to do in Excel addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and how to copy and paste and how to cut and paste. We'll have quick recall and we'll have questions for the session. So first one we will see how to do an addition. Right. Yes. Can you find the formula bar which I have highlighted? Right. So listen. You just type what I have typed. If you have your system at your home, you can type whatever I have typed now. Yes. See, in A2 cell, you know what is the A2 cell? I have typed the number 50. In B2 cell, I have typed the number 2. Yes. Now in addition, I am going to do the addition and give you the result over there. Yes. So how to give the formula for addition? So A2 plus B2. You have to use the only your cell name. Yes. Cell name or cell address we can say. This A2 and B2 represent a cell address. We should not use here 50 plus 2. It's not directly we should not use. We have to use only your cell reference name. Right. So can you find equal to A2 plus B2. You can type here. Whatever you type here will be appearing in the formula bar also. After typing, see every formula it starts with equal to. Every formula it starts with equal to. Without giving equal to if you type, there will be no use. Right. So you have to type with equal to. So every formula it starts with a symbol equal to. Yes, if you give A2 plus B2 and give enter, you will get the answer for addition. Clear students? Next, we'll see how to do subtraction. Can you see? Same way, I am subtracting these two numbers and I am giving subtraction. So what is subtraction symbol? Minus symbol. As you all know, isn't it? A2 minus B2. Now I am going to use subtraction. So you will get the answer for it. Right? Next is multiplication. Can you find how to do multiplication? See, A2 star B2. Here it is a star. It is not a into symbol over here. It is a star symbol in your computer. Clear? So this star represent multiplication in computer. So equal to A2 into B2. Right, students? Now you can see for division, same thing. Now I am giving the division symbol. Yes, a slash symbol is called as the division symbol in computer, equal to A2 by B2. So with the same two number, I have done addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So same way, if you have your system with your help of your parents, you try to do this addition, multiplication, subtraction and division and try, students. Next, we are going to see how to copy and paste. Listen, for example, if you want to select a cell or cells you wish to copy. That is, for example, I want the cells to copy from one cell to other cell. So you can see at the top, you can give copy command. You can select a copy command in the menu bar, or you can give right click copy, or you can press Control key and C key. What is the shortcut key using keyboard? Control plus C is a copy command. Next, where you want to paste it, select the cell. Next, same way in the menu bar, you'll find the paste option, or right click, you can select paste, or shortcut key for paste is Control plus V. Control key and V key, if you press it, it will done the paste option. Clear for you? So what is shortcut key for copy? Control C. Shortcut key for paste? Control V. Clear, students? So next is what is cut and paste. So cut and paste is also similar to copy and paste. Whereas copy and paste, see the location, when you copy and paste, the content will be in original location or also in new location. What about cut and paste? The content will be removed from the old location and it will be moved to the new location. Okay. So when copy and paste, the content is available in the both side. The cells where you copy and also where you paste. But as cut and paste, you can just simple with the word you can understand, isn't it? Cut and paste. That is, we are cutting here and keeping over in other place. So in the original place it will be not found. So what is copy and paste? Same thing, you are copying from one thing to other. So it will be available in both the location. So how to cut and paste? So select the cell or cells you wish to cut. Next, where is the cut command available? In the menu bar, or you can give right click and select cut, or control key plus X key to cut. Yes. Next, where you want to paste, you can select the cell. Next, you can select paste command from the menu bar, or you can give right click paste, or control plus V to paste. Do you understand now how to paste, cut and paste and content, right? Yes. What is the shortcut key for cut? It is control plus X. What is shortcut key for paste? Control plus V. Clear, students? So what we discussed for the session? Simple formulas, how to copy and paste, and how to cut and paste. I hope it is very clear for you. We'll have few questions for the session. What is shortcut key for copy? Shortcut key for paste? Shortcut key for cut? And how to copy and paste a cell, and how to cut and paste a cell. By the way, you can practice some how to do addition, subtraction, addition, division in system. Yes, if you have. Right? Yes, students. It's time to say bye-bye. Thank you.